what's your hiring process? So you've you've talked about how you use competitions often, coding competitions to find great engineers. Well, what's your thinking behind that?
Well, it's in line with my overall philosophy. I think competition leads to progress. If you want to create an ideal process for selecting the most qualified people for certain specific task you have in mind, what can be better than a competition? A coding contest where everybody who wants to join your company as an engineer or just wants to get some prize money or validation can demonstrate their skills, and then we just select the best. Or if we are not certain because there's not enough data to hire somebody, we just repeat the contest with another task, get more data, get more winners, then repeat again. And at some point you realize, oh, actually, this guy has competed in 10 of our contests since he was 16 years old or 14-year-old. Now he's 20 or 21. He won in 8 of these competitions. He seems to be really good in JavaScript and Android Java and also C++. Why not hire this person? There's some consistency there. And a lot of these people, they have never worked in a big company before, which is priceless because in a big company, people tend to shift responsibility. They have this shared responsibility wherein nobody fully understands who can take credit for a project, who can take blame for a project. Inside Telegram, it's pretty clear. And these competitions are the closest experience to what people will have when working at Telegram. So, for example, we want to implement certain very tricky animation and redesign to the profile page of the Telegram as Android version. And the Android app, it's an open source app. Anybody can take its code and play with it. So as a result, we would not just select the best person and hire this person. We would also select the best solution to the problem because we would not suggest the contestants to solve trivial problems. It's something that's valuable. It saves a lot of time for us in terms of development. And because I always had these large social media platforms which I could use to promote these competitions,
Right.
somehow both VK and Telegram were very popular among engineers and designers, other tech people. I had no issue to promote this contest and find the right people ever. And what can be better than for an employee of your company, of somebody who has been a user of it? If this person has no prior experience of using Telegram, their understanding would be very limited. Why would I even try to hire somebody from LinkedIn who worked at Google and other companies, is used to receiving salary for nothing, is used to shift responsibility and being stuck in endless meetings, and have very limited understanding of what Telegram stands for? It's just crazy if you think about it.